Welcome back, aspiring health advocates. In this video, we're going to learn how to navigate the website and utilize the templates. Because learning to navigate your care on your own can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just getting started. So in this video, we'll give you a quick tour of our website, showing you where to find essential tools and templates so you can easily access everything that you need to begin your care journey. The Patient Better Academy is self-paced, but we recommend that you take learning one step at a time. Aim to complete one course a week in a quiet, distraction-free space. This way, you'll build a solid foundation in managing your healthcare. And to make the most out of Patient Better and strengthen your ability to advocate for your care, we encourage you to share this program with your family, friends, and caregivers so that everyone is on the same page. You can also share it with your healthcare providers, and if they have any questions, feel free to give them our contact information. We're here to help. Now, before we dive into this video, I wanted to quickly address a common question we get. Why don't we teach people how to craft their digital health records from the start? Well, the reason is simple. We've found that starting with a tangible paper record works best for many people. As research shows, it helps build stronger organizational skills more quickly. However, once you're comfortable, you're welcome to switch to digital, and we'll guide you through the transition when you're ready. But as for our learning today, there are three main parts to our website that you'll want to know: the glossary, the student portal, and the Patient Better Toolkit. The glossary breaks down key health advocacy terms so that you can feel more confident when communicating with your healthcare team. The student portal is your central hub, where you can find all of your courses, tools, and keep track of your progress all in one spot. Lastly, the toolkit has templates for you to use throughout the program. These templates are practical tools designed to help you manage your written communication, and will guide you into how to make the most out of them as you move through the academy. Now, let's learn how to access the glossary. To access the glossary, all you have to do is type in the domain name patientbetter.com. Then, go to the Explore tab on the menu section, scroll down to the Glossary tab, and this page will appear. And voila! Just go to the word or term you're looking for. Now, let's take a look at your portal. Your portal is your tool to navigate throughout the Patient Better Academy. On the left-hand side, you'll see the vertical menu. You can navigate through the courses, gradebook, certificates, and templates, or create a personalized profile if you would like. To access the curriculum, simply click My Courses and it'll bring you to this page. Click on the Curriculum tab and it'll bring you to this page, the course curriculum. Once you have completed watching the videos and completed the quizzes, simply click the certificate to finish the course and you're done. Now, let's learn how to access the templates. Simply go into your dashboard and scroll down to the toolkit. And here, you will find all of Patient Better's templates. And when you click on them, they will open up. And that concludes our video for today. Now that you've completed this video, set a goal to watch the upcoming videos that focuses on those who have helped you shape your healthcare journey so far. The next video, titled How to Build Your At-Home Care Team, you'll learn how to create an at-home care team by identifying people who supports you in your healthcare journey at home. And then in the next video, you'll learn how to keep track of your physicians and manage your health portals effectively. You'll learn how to use the Patient Better Provider Tracker tool to organize important details about your healthcare providers, like contact information, specialties, and treatment history. We'll also cover the best practices for managing your health portals so that you can easily access your records and stay on top of your care. Together, the Contributor Cover page and the Provider Tracker tool help you present an organized view of your care team and medical provider history to healthcare professionals. These are your first 2 steps in building a proactive approach to well-coordinated care. Thanks for watching.